I'm going to show you how to make players jump higher in Roblox Studio by changing the jump height settings. This is a really simple feature to customize, but it can make a huge difference in the way your game feels and plays, whether you're making an hobby, an adventure game, or any kind of movement based experience. Changing the jump height can help make your gameplay more fun and unique. So, after opening Roblox Studio, the first thing you want to do is go to the Explorer panel and find the Starter Player folder. Click on it once and then look over at the Properties panel. Inside Properties, scroll down until you find an option called Character Jump Height. This setting controls exactly how high players can jump inside your game. By default, the value is usually set lower, but if you want players to jump much higher, all you have to do is increase the number. For example, I'm going to change mine to 20. As soon as I do that, the character's jump will become a lot higher and more noticeable in game. Now, after changing the value, click the play button to test your game. Once your character loads in, press the spacebar, which is the default jump key, and you'll immediately see the difference. The character will jump much higher than before. One of the best things about this setting is that you can keep experimenting with different values until you find the perfect movement style for your game. If the jump feels too low, increase it a little more. If it feels unrealistic or too overpowered, you can lower it again. It's super easy to customize. In my case, you might notice that my character is actually jumping twice in the air. That's because I also added a double jump script to my game. So besides increasing the jump height, I also created a system that lets the player jump a second time while already in the air. I actually have another tutorial on my channel showing step by step how to create a double jump system in Roblox Studio if you want to learn that too. And that's basically it. Now you know how to easily change the jump height in Roblox Studio and customize how your players move around your game. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.